Hello children, how are you all? I'm Margaret Fernandez, your nursery teacher. I'm so excited children just to come to you and to teach you something really exciting. And I know you're always waiting, for your teacher to come and teach you something, right? And today my topic is really very exciting. Okay? So I know children, you all are at home and you're not able to go anywhere out. And I know sitting at home, you all are getting bored, right? Your mommy and daddy are not able to take you out. Your mommy and daddy are not able to take you out to the park. They're not able to take you anywhere out because you have to be at home, right? Because you're going to be safe being at home at this time. But you know what? I have something really exciting today, where you are not going to miss going out. You can enjoy all the fun being at home. So are you all excited to know what is this? Yes children, today my topic is gross motor skill. Okay, now what is gross motor skill? Now you know that our body, there is a lot of movements happening in our body, right? So this gross motor skills really help all our body movements. It helps us to develop in our running skills. It helps us to develop in our walking skills, and it helps to have a good coordination between our brain and eyes. There is a coordination between our brain, eyes, hand, legs. So I am going to teach you some skills today where you can see this coordination happening in your body and how through this coordination there are so many things that you are able to do so well. Okay children, so are you all ready? So with this gross motor skill, the skills that I'm going to teach you is going to help you in your balancing skills. It is going to help you in your physical activities. It's going to help you your brain, your eyes to coordinate well. It's going to help you to coordinate, there's going to be a good coordination between your eyes, hands, legs. Okay, and not only that, but it will develop your rhythm skills also. So children, are you all ready? So let's do it. So once you do it, you will understand what I'm talking to you. So the first skill that I'm going to teach you is balancing. Okay, now what do we do in balancing? Okay, this is very simple. For this you just need a book, and I believe you have a book at home. So what you do, you just take a book, take any book, okay, and you just balance that book on your head. Just keep it on your head first, and then you just balance that book on your head, and then I want you to just slowly stand up, and okay, once you're up there, I want you to start walking. Okay, take one step at a time. Okay, so what are you doing? You are actually balancing the book that is there on your head. Okay, so while you do this balancing, your brain, your eyes, your hands and your legs, there is a coordination that is happening, that is allowing you to balance the book on your head. Okay children, so this is called balancing. Okay, so there is a coordination that is happening and you are able to balance the book. So even as you balance the book, even if the book falls down, you don't have to fear. You can just take the book again and place it on your head, and you try doing this again. And believe me, you will enjoy doing this. Okay children, so there are some more skills of balancing that I want to show you. So look at this. Now look at this child. This child is going to balance himself on that piece of wood. So you see how he walks on that piece of wood and how he's balancing himself. Now what he's going to do? He's balancing. Now he's going to do it again. But this time, what is he going to do? He's going to balance himself, and at the same time, he's going to even pick some object that is kept down on the floor. So as he's balancing himself, as he's walking and balancing himself, he's going to pick the object up. So you saw how simple this is? Yeah? So children, I hope you enjoyed this, and I believe you're going to try this at home. Okay, and this is going to improve your gross motor skills. Okay, so now let's go to the second skill. Okay, now for the second skill, I want you to do a bit of warm up. Okay, so are you ready for that? So I just want you to just raise your hands and just wave them. Okay, do this. Okay, so that you are ready for the next skill. Okay, so now for the next skill, what do you need? Okay, you need a ball. Okay, now I know you all love to play with balls, and I know that I believe you have a ball at home. Okay, so I just want you to take this ball. Okay, so we are going to do our next skill with this ball, and this skill is going to improve your gross motor skill. So I just want you to take this ball, put it high up and catch it. Okay, just throw the ball up in the air and catch it. Okay, it's simple, right? But when you're doing this skill, again there is a coordination that is happening between your brain, your eyes and your hands, right? So there is a coordination that is happening between your brain, your eyes and hands, and this coordination is helping you to catch the ball. Okay, so this is going to improve your gross motor skills. Yes children, so you can even do this skill with a small ball also. Okay, so you can, even if you have a small ball at home, you can try doing this with the small ball. You just put it up in the air and you just catch it. Okay, so it's so simple. Okay, but it's very you will really enjoy. It's a lot of fun, so don't do it alone. Okay, you can get your mummy and daddy also to do this, and you can play this with your mom and dad, and you can have a lot of fun being at home. And along with the fun, what is happening is your gross motor skill is actually improving, right children? So I want you to do this. Okay, try this at home. So now I want to teach you some more skills in this, where your brain, your eyes, your hands, your leg coordinates together. Okay, so you watch this. Okay, watch this children. Okay, see how they are doing it, and I want you to even try this. So children, watch these children how they are doing this. Look at them. The ball is just placed in between their legs, and they are just jumping up and lifting the legs, and they are trying to catch the ball. Did you see that children? It's so simple. Keep the ball in between your leg, jump, throw the ball up and catch the ball, right? So try doing this. It's going to be a lot of fun children. You can use any ball that you have at home. Just jump and throw the ball and catch the ball. Wow, look at him. He did it. So children, I want you to do this at home. Okay children, so this is something that is going to help you in your coordination of your brain, your eyes, your hands and your legs. Okay children, so children, that's really great. Now I want you to see one more video. Okay. Now look at this girl. See the way she's throwing the ball down and holding it with both her hands. Can you see her, children? She's throwing the ball down and she's catching the ball with both her hands. Can you see that? It's so simple. Now look at this girl. She's having a small ball and she's trying to do that with the small ball. She's throwing it down and she is catching that with both the hands. Yes, can you see that? It's such fun to do this, right? I mean, just look at that. And this is just going to help you children to improve your gross motor skill. Okay, so I believe that you are going to do this at home and you are going to try this and it's going to be a lot of fun. So children, now we move on to the next skill. Okay, this skill is very interesting. Okay, so the name of this skill is rhythm skill. Okay, so now in this skill, what are we going to do? In this skill, we just need our hands. And what we are going to do, we are just going to clap our hands. Okay, and by doing this, we are going to create sounds. Okay, so teacher is going to show you. Okay. So children, you saw that? Just by clapping hands, you can actually create rhythms. You can actually create sound. And there is a coordination that is happening between your mind, your hands. Right? So with that coordination, you can actually create sounds. You can create your own rhythm. So this is very exciting. You can even use a cup to do this and it's really fun. So I want you to try this and I want you to watch some more so that you will understand in a better way how you can do this. So just look at these children, you know how they are doing it, you know, just see. I mean, they are just clapping and then, okay. So in this skills, what is happening? You can see what is happening in this skill. Okay, they are just clapping there and they are trying to create a rhythm. Okay, what are they doing? They are trying to create a rhythm. Yes, can you hear that?
Slightly change direction
Yes.
with passing along the cup.
Look at that. Passing the cup and just clapping and clapping and just passing the cup. Can you hear that? Yes, can you hear that rhythm, children? It's so exciting and it's so fun. All the children are having great fun by just doing this. So you saw, children, how this can happen by just doing this rhythm. You know, it is just going to help you in your coordination with your mind and hands, and you can actually create your own rhythm. You can actually create your own sounds. So I hope, children, you have enjoyed this. Was it fun today to do all this skill? You know, the most exciting was the rhythm one. So don't do it alone, children. Take your nana, nani, dada, dadi, whoever is at home, your brother, sister, you know, your auntie, uncle, who is there, whoever is there at home with you. I want you to do all the skills with them. And I believe, you know, I hope that you are going to have lot of fun. Even in this time where you are at home, you can actually have lot of fun by doing all the skills. The balancing skill, the eye and hand chin, you know, the eye and leg coordination, the rhythm skills, you know, and this is going to even improve your physical skill. So I hope, children, you are going to do this and you are going to enjoy at the same time. Okay, children? So I hope you loved this teaching of mine and you loved this motor skills that I have taught you, and I believe that you are going to do this at home. So take care of yourself, children, and take care of your health. And so for now, bye-bye.